Hello everyone, I'm Kiki who loves costumes. Before the video starts, if you're watching it for the first time, this is a channel dedicated to introducing knowledge, stories, and step-to-step making of costumes and fashion wear. We upload videos of costumes or dressmaking every week. Almost every video will be attached with the free pattern file, which means you may DIY too. Don't forget to download the file at the link below. Please read the pattern information on the first 6 pages before printing. The first page is the copyright notice, printing and sewing precautions. The second page is the test page to make sure the printed drawings are the correct size. The third page is the size chart for reference. There are also measurements demonstration video on the channel. The fourth page is the production information of the pattern as well as cutting and fabric usage. The fifth page is the graphic information of the pattern. The sixth page is the technical flat drawings. The seventh page starts with the actual patterns in different sizes. When printing, please pay attention to the settings and choose A4 size paper. Click extra size or 100%. You may click print. After printing, you may trim off the top right corner. Check that the length of the square are 5 cm. Arrange them according to the letters and numbers on the paper. Align the markings on the paper and stick them together. Pay attention to the position of the grain line when cutting the fabric. The grain line must be parallel to the red line on the pattern. Use a ruler to confirm that they are parallel to one another. Sometimes pattern pieces will not include seam allowance. After the pins are fixed, please mark the lines with the marking tool. Then use busting or chalk to mark the desired seam allowance. Pattern pieces with seam allowances can use tracing wheels to copy the seam line. The number of cuts are marked on the pattern pieces. The number of cuts are marked on the pattern pieces. Sew the red pieces face to face. Iron after turnover. Sew small loops on the white panel according to the markings. The loops are used to tie the lacing. Sew the top and the bottom of the white panel. Then connect the red and white panels. Seam at the back of the bodice. Seam the dots. Sew the side seams. Close the dots for the front pieces. Seam the shoulder lines. Sew the white strip decoration at the marked position. Sew the lining with the same steps. Then connect the lining with the bodice. Join the bodice with the front panels. Attach the zipper on the center back line. Make a red long strip for lacing strap. Then let's take a break before continue. The number of cuts are marked on the pattern pieces. You can mark the position of the drawers you want on the layout. We use an embroidery machine for this project. Double fold at hem. It's slightly arched, which needs to be fixed evenly. Make sure you clean up embroidery patches. Sew the decoration white strip at the marked position. Then sew a lining with the same step. Seam the lining to the apron. Gathering at the waistline and closing it with the waistband. After each piece of clothing is finished, let's put them on one by one. Don't forget to support us when you see this. Remember to give us a like, leave a message about the clothing you want us to make, share more of our videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye bye!